Welcome to Testing Car. Today, we're giving you an exclusive first look at the highly anticipated 2026 luxury motorhome, a rolling palace that redefines what it means to travel in absolute style. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of class, innovation, and limitless freedom on the open road. As the world of luxury vehicles continues to evolve, the 2026 model stands at the pinnacle, offering a blend of high-end amenities, cutting-edge technology, and robust engineering, all wrapped up in one breathtakingly beautiful design. Step inside and you're instantly transported into a 5-star suite on wheels. Every inch of this interior has been meticulously designed with premium materials, from Italian leather seating and hardwood cabinetry to ambient lighting systems that adjust according to your mood. The spacious living area feels more like a modern apartment than a motorhome. Slide-out walls expand the space with the touch of a button, while panoramic smart windows give you an immersive view of your surroundings, whether you're parked at a scenic lake or nestled into the desert landscape. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, stainless steel refrigerator, and even a wine chiller. But what really makes this space stand out is the intelligent layout, optimized for comfort and convenience, allowing you to cook gourmet meals while still engaging with your guests. The dining area easily seats 4, with custom upholstery and a telescoping table that transforms for workspace or entertainment. Moving toward the rear, the master suite is a sanctuary of rest and rejuvenation. The queen or optional king-size bed comes with a posture-adjustable base, memory foam mattress, and built-in massage functionality. A 55-inch smart TV rises from a hidden console, and surrounding soundproofing ensures undisturbed sleep. The en-suite bathroom is nothing short of impressive, featuring a rainfall shower with LED lighting, a dual vanity with solid surface countertops, and a fully automated toilet with bidet functions. Tech lovers will appreciate the motorhome's digital backbone. Everything from lighting, climate control, and entertainment to security and leveling can be managed through a central touchscreen or smartphone app. Wi-Fi connectivity comes standard, powered by a high-gain antenna and optional satellite link, making this the perfect vehicle for remote work or luxury getaways. On the road, the 2026 motorhome performs with confidence and power. Built on a high-performance chassis with a diesel or hybrid engine option, it glides smoothly even at highway speeds. Enhanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking ensure safety and ease of driving for owners of any experience level. This 2026 luxury motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle. Whether you're chasing horizons across the Rockies or taking a weekend escape to the coast,